Well, I got a phone call around about 10 o'clock in the evening to tell me the belt had ripped. My immediate reaction to the customer was the rip detected? Fortunately for us, it did what it said it was going to do and it detected it within a split second.
My name's Michael Craven. I'm assistant quarry manager at Cemex, Quarry. I look after the finished product section here. We manufacture 5 million tonnes of limestone aggregate every year, which is dispatched over throughout the UK.
My name's James Shaw. I'm the assistant quarry manager here at Cemex in the UK. My job is to run the secondary finished product site, produce 24,000 tonnes a day. If a belt was to have downtime, it can cost up to £20,000 an hour. Normally it could take up to 48 hours of repair, so you're looking at losing chunks £780,000 before we even start again, so it's a big loss.
If the belt does rip, we can have days down. It's not just to us, it's to the end user. If they can't get product to the end user, we can potentially lose customers.
After having multiple failures on a belt that we have on site, we decided we needed to do something about it. So we collaborated with a few suppliers and one of our distributors for the belts.
Flexco Elevate was new technology onto the market, but it was interesting to get it installed on site and see what it could achieve.
We thought this was a win-win situation for Cemex, so we thought we'd give the trial a go. Installation was so easy. All runs off IPs for a inline dashboard, so you can easily monitor your belts.
In April in 2025, we did have a critical event. A plate had fallen out of the primary crusher and landed onto the conveyor below. Our Elevate managed to stop the conveyor within 12 metres. If Elevate wasn't in place that day, then we would have certainly lost all of the conveyor.
Well, I got a phone call around about 10 o'clock in the evening to tell me the belt had ripped. My immediate reaction to the customer was the rip detected? Fortunately for us, it did what it said it was going to do and it detected it within a split second.
So the reaction to the first time it's happened was thank God it's happened. So when the rip detected the issue, the belt stopped, which gave the opportunity for the maintenance team to go and inspect the belt. On inspecting the belt, we found a steel plate that had gone through the belt from the crusher. So if we didn't have Flexco Elevate installed on our conveyor, the conveyor would have ripped completely in half. They're costing us £20,000 an hour downtime, loss of customers, loss of revenue.
Having this system in place enables us to constantly monitor the conveyor. That enables us to plan in maintenance as and when we need it. If we see issues throughout the week, we can then plan that in for weekend that doesn't incur downtime on us throughout the week. After that day, I think the whole company got behind it. They realised the software does work, and since then we've managed to install 2 more systems on site at Dub Holes, and we're also looking at installing more throughout the UK.
So just after this one detection we've had this year, that's paid for the software itself, especially from the downtime point of view. So our production now very efficient, probably better than it's ever been.
Cemex are already rolling it out on other sites after it's proven itself, and we're obviously actively trying to promote it with other customers, and we've had a good uptake on that. The conveyor industry has generally stayed quite, it's not stagnant, but it's quite still over the last few years, and this product for me is a really key development in the progress.
We're implementing all this new digital kit onto old running gear in our quarry. I didn't think it was possible, but it's absolutely took me by surprise, and I was absolutely shocked at the results we're getting from it. Having technology like this is an absolute no-brainer. It's the way forward. The use of AI, it's not going away. If there's any companies out there, especially in our industry, thinking of going down this road, please do think that way, because if you think you can't incorporate new stuff onto old kit, you definitely can. It's proved it with us.